Guys, here are all of the fire alarms in my school since pre-K. A lot of it was Edwards EST Integrity Horn Strobes and Edwards EST Genesis Horn Strobes and Edwards EST 270 SPO pull stations. And one time, WHEELOCK AS horn strobes. My elementary school had Edwards EST 892 electronic horn strobes with the dual fire lettering on the lens of the strobe, and a pre-integrity in the library. All of my school's pull stations said pull in case of fire on the handle, and have a stopper with a built-in alarm over it, so no one pulls it for a prank. Edwards EST is very big here. The fire alarm was a constant tone in my elementary school. Now it's temporal. The 892 has a much lower pitch than the integrity. The Genesis has the shrill sound that WHEELOCK devices have. When the Genesis was first introduced, it had the same sound as an integrity. All of my school's fire alarms were Edwards EST. Sorry, Pickle 700 Systems and Electric. But all of my school's fire alarms were Edwards EST. Bye.